Hi guys, Candy here, and in today's video I shall be showing you how to go from this to that image you just passed. But first of all, we have to look presentable before we can tie that scarf. So let me show you how to do that. So I just took down my 1 week old natural crochet hairstyle and I wanted to have something presentable for work, so I just decided to do this instead. First thing I did was to moisturize my hair with my water mix, which contains leave-in conditioner and oil. But for extra moisture, I'm applying this leave-in conditioner from Mega Growth Nigeria. And after massaging that to my hair strands and my scalp, I'm going to go in with my trusty hair oil that I made by myself, and I'm going to apply that to my hair as well. I like to massage that into my strands and my actual hair. Then, now that my hair is soft enough, I'm going to detangle with my white tooth comb and just watch how my hair bounces back. So pretty. Anyway, I'm going to take my needle that reminds me of Elder Barry's needle. If you've seen Charmed, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to make a center part, and I really wanted to show you guys how I'm going to apply gel to this. But while I was showing you how I would tie both sides of the hair at the back, like my hair is long enough to tie, but if yours is not, you can hold it with bobby pins and gel. As I was trying to show you guys, then the dreaded thing about being a content creator in Nigeria happened. NEPA happened. Yeah, I actually applied gel, put a scarf and went to bed, and this is me the next day trying to see if I can film without light. Then God did it and they brought light. So I'm just showing you guys that I applied gel and it dried, and now I'm going to show you how I padded my hair. I'm using this wig cap. It actually comes 2 in 1, but I'm only going to use 1, and I'm just going to take that and put it on my head. But I'm not going to put it all over. I'm also going to use these Kinky extensions that I removed from my hair, and this is the most versatile extensions ever, because you can use and use and use until you are tired. So look, after using it for crochet, now I'm going to use it as a padded bun. So I'm just going to fold that into a huge ball, and I'm going to wear my wig cap first. I'm going to wear it from the part where my cornrows start, as opposed to, the beginning of my hair. And then I'm going to let my leave out, the part where the gel is, sit outside the wig cap. Then I'm going to take the Kinky hair extensions and put them from behind to give an illusion of I packed my hair. You know the vibes now, and this is going to give it like a more stable, compact. Now that the padding is done, I'm just going to take my pashmina and I'm going to fold it as I'm going to show you here. I'm just going to fold it a little bit, but this time around the fold will be inwards because I want the top of my scarf to be flat and plain. So after placing it on my head, making sure that the gel part is outside, I'm just going to cross them at the back, and I'm showing you the side so you can see how the padding is already looking. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to twist one leg of the scarf and tie it around our new bun, and I'm just going to do exactly the same thing with the other arm, and our scarf is done. I also tried this with smaller scarves of different materials and different textures, and it worked wonderfully well. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please ensure to check out any of my previous videos, and remember to like, comment and subscribe. As usual, if you do not know what to comment, you can always type helpful in the comment section below, or you could be creative. Thank you so much for supporting me so far, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.